In today's link up, Coinbase rolls out XRP Futures, the SEC eases rules on stablecoins, and Ethereum sets a date for its Pectra upgrade. Plus, Pump.fun revives live streaming, Grayscale eyes a Solana ETF, and OKX faces a major AML fine in Europe. Here's today's crypto update. Coinbase derivatives will introduce XRP and Nano XRP futures, cash-settled products tied to the market vector Coinbase XRP index. Launching April 21st, these contracts offer traders a regulated way to gain exposure to XRP's price. Following Ripple's legal victories, XRP's non-security status adds momentum to its market growth. These new futures expand Coinbase's derivative offerings for both institutional and retail traders. Now, onto a major regulatory update. The SEC announced that covered stablecoins like USDT and USDC aren't considered securities and don't need transaction registration. These tokens, backed by reserves and pegged to the US dollar, can now operate with less regulatory friction. With over $200 billion in combined supply, issuers like Tether and Circle are expected to benefit from clearer minting and redemption guidelines. Next up, Ethereum prepares for a big upgrade. Ethereum developers are targeting May 7th for the mainnet rollout of the Pectra upgrade. It includes 11 EIPs aimed at improving usability, staking, and scalability. Key proposals like EIP 7702 improve wallet UX, EIP 7251 raises validator limits, and EIP 7691 enhances rollup performance. The date could shift depending on final testing outcomes. I hope you're enjoying the video, so let us know by subscribing. Give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below if you think the SEC's new stance on stablecoins like USDT and USDC will positively affect other regulatory guidelines. Turning to community engagement on Solana, Solana-based meme coin platform Pump.fun is relaunching live streaming for 5% of its users after suspending the feature due to prior misuse. New moderation rules target illegal or harmful content, with violators facing bans or suspensions. The goal is to support safe, creative user engagement while cracking down on harassment and inappropriate behavior. Now to ETF news from Grayscale. Grayscale has filed to list a Solana ETF, GSOL, on the New York Stock Exchange. The plan involves converting its Solana Trust into an ETF to attract institutional investors. Amid broader market downturns, this move may signal renewed confidence in Solana's long-term prospects. Approval would offer traditional investors easier access to Solana. Finally, a penalty for regulatory violations. Malta's Financial Intelligence Analysis Unit fined OKX's European division $1.2 million for AML violations dating back to 2023. Issues included weak risk assessments involving privacy coins, mixers, and dexes. Despite recent compliance improvements, the infractions were considered serious. OKX says it remains committed to improving its security and regulatory framework. And that's our daily link up. Make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out on any updates. I'll catch you in the next one.